Hi, this is Kapu Sukanya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Now we are going to discuss about computer graphics and visualization. In this, what are the applications of computer graphics, what are pixels, screen, and how the pixels are represented on screen. Now we will see detail. Applications of computer graphics. There are 10 applications. First one is computer art. Using computer graphics, we can create fine and commercial art which includes animation packages, paint packages. These packages provide facilities for designing objects, shapes, and specifying object motion. Cartoon drawings, paintings, logo designs, and also can be done. Now we will see computer aided drawings. In this we will see designing of buildings, automobiles, aircrafts is done with the help of the computer aided drawings. This helps in providing many details to the drawing and producing more accurate and sharp drawings with better specifications. Now presentation graphics. How this presentation graphics is done? For the presentation of the report or summarizing the financial statistical mathematical scientific economic data for researchers reports, managerial reports. Moreover, creation of bar graphs, pie charts, time chart can be done using the tools present in the computer graphics. Okay. Now entertainment. Computer graphics finds a major part of its utility in the movie industry and game industry, used for creating motion picture, music video, television shows, cartoon animation films. In the game industry, where focus and interactive are the key players. Computer graphics helps in the providing such features in the efficiency way. In education, computer computer generated models are extremely useful for teaching huge number of concepts. Extremely useful for teaching huge number of concepts and fundamentals in an easy understand and learn manner. Using computer graphics, many educational models can be created, through which more interest can be generated among the students regarding the subjects. Now training. Using training. Specialized system for training like simulators can be used for training candidates in a way that can be grasped in a short span of time with better understanding. Creation of training modules using computer graphics is simple and very useful. Visualization. Today we need to visualize the things. Increased drastically. The need of visualization can be seen in many advanced technologies. Data visualization helps in finding insights of the data, to check and study the behavior of the process around us. We need appreciate visualization which can be achieved through proper usage of computers. Data visualization for finding insight of data, to check the study behavior of the process around us. You need to appreciate the visualization achieved through paper usage of computer graphics. Now we use computer graphics applications in image processing. How we use various kinds of photographers or images requires editing in order to use different places. Processing of existing images into refined ones for better interpretation is one of the many applications of computer graphics. Now these are the last two applications: machine drawing and graphical user interface. In machine drawing, computer graphics is very frequently used. Which is used very frequently used for designing, modification and creation of various parts of machines and the whole machine itself. The main reason behind using computer graphics for this purpose is the precision and clarity we get from such drawings is ultimate and extremely desired for the safe manufacturing of machines using the drawings. Now we'll see graphical user interface. The uses of pictures, images, icons, pop-up menus, graphical objects helps in creating a user-friendly environment where working is easy and pleasant. Using computer graphics we can create such an atmosphere where everything can be automated and everyone can get desired actions performed in easy fashion. Now we'll have a look at pixel and screen. First, pixel and screen are essential components of computer graphics. Both are essential components of computer graphics. Pixel, short for a picture element. Pixel is the smallest unit of digital image that can be displayed or manipulated on a computer screen. Screen, on the other hand, is a device that displays visual information generated by a computer. Pixel is typically represented by a tiny square or rectangular on a screen, and size of each pixel depends on the resolution of the screen. The resolution of the screen is defined by the number of pixels can be displayed horizontally and vertically. This can be defined by the number of pixels by displaying horizontal and vertically. For example, a screen with a resolution of 1920 into 1080 can display 1920 pixels horizontally and 1080 pixels vertically. Now, pixels are tiny squares of colors arranged in a grid-like patterns. Grid-like a pattern, like grid. How we draw? In this way, these are arranged, which forms an image when viewed from a distance. Each pixel in the grid is associated a specific color in this each grid. Here, this each grid is assigned to a specific color value, which determines it appears on the screen. The color value of each pixels are usually represented as a combination of red, green and blue. These are RGB values, which can range from 0 to 255. Which can range from 0. The resolution of an image is determined by the number of pixels in the image. A higher resolution image will have more pixels. Therefore more details, while a lower resolution image will have fewer pixels and less details. Now we'll look at the screen. There are different types of screens available in the market, including LCD, LED, OLED and plasma screens. These screens vary in displaying technologies, images quality, image quality, size, and price. This type of screens chosen will depend on the user needs and the budget. Overall, the screen is an essential component of a computer graphics system, and it plays a vital role in presenting digital images and videos in a visualizing and accurate way. Now, how pixel is represented on screen? We will have a look at on this. Pixel is a smallest unit of an image that can be displayed on a screen. It is a small unit of an image. Okay. The RGB value of each pixels are stored in the computer memory as a binary data. Next, for example, 24-bit color depth screen can represent over 16 million colors per pixel. The binary data of each pixel is then sent from computer's graphics card. It sends from computer graphics card to the screen's display controller, which turns the binary data into an electrical signal that controls the brightness and color of each pixel on the screen. Here, the screen itself is composed of a grid of tiny dots, each of which can be turned on or off. Of the represented pixel. The size of each pixel and the density of the grid measured in pixels per inch. PPI refers for PPI refers per pixels per inch, determines the resolution of the screen. Higher resolution screen will have more pixels per inch. The resulting is sharper and more detailed images. In summary, a pixel on a screen is represented by a combination of RGB values that are stored in the computer's memory and sent to the screen displays controller. The display controller then turns on or off according to the dots on the screen to create the images. That's it. Today we have learned about the pixels, screen, and how the pixels are represented on the screen. Thank you.